Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Volkswagen Golf GTI updated. Start by finding clear reference images and pick a 3/4 or side view. Lightly sketch the basic proportions using rectangles and circles to map wheel placement and roofline. Establish wheelbase and ground line, then refine the body panels and window shapes. Keep strokes loose and build detail gradually, checking proportions often as you proceed. Begin defining the body by refining the main silhouette and the fender curves from your construction lines. Define the hood, roof, and rear hatch with smooth, continuous strokes while watching the car's balance. Add the character line along the doors and outline the bumper integrations with light shading. Keep revisiting wheel positions and panel gaps so proportions remain accurate, and erase unnecessary guides as you lock in the final form. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It pairs oddly well with car sketching sessions for a fresh vibe. I place the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on the wheels by correcting ellipse shapes to match the perspective and spacing. Refine tire thickness and rim details. Carefully render the headlights and grille, noting the signature GTI elements and clean edges. Add mirrors, badges, and door handles with precise small strokes, then introduce subtle shading to suggest volume and reflections. Step back periodically to ensure all details read correctly and the car maintains a cohesive, believable look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.